Centerwell plays a vital role in caring for the seniors in our community. Chad Hester is the Director of Growth for Centerwell Primary Care, and he joins me in studio to tell us a bit more about their specialized care model. How you doing today?
I am doing great, Allison. Thanks for having us on.
Of course. Thank you so much for coming in. So I guess to get us started, tell us a little bit about Centerwell.
Yeah, so Centerwell is a senior-focused primary care organization, and so we do healthcare, primary care, specifically for folks who are 65 and older, and it really allows us to specialize in a demographic and a population that need a little bit more time and help and assistance, and so our entire model is really driven around that purpose.
And how have you all put together that model?
Yeah, so we've put together that model by really concentrating our teams on the senior population, but also having a wraparound care model. And what I mean by that is the heart of the relationship is with the patient and the provider, so they really get to know their provider. Our patient appointments average about 30 minutes. New patient appointments are 40 minutes to an hour. And so because they really get to know their provider, there's a deep history and relationship there. But then we also have resources like behavioral health and clinical pharmacists and a whole referral team that helps, I tell people, they help hold the hand of our patients through a really complicated healthcare ecosystem, and several other things like social workers that just help specialize in ways that the provider may not be able to really give that holistic healthcare.
Okay, yeah, so you all are looking at the patients individually then and creating an entire health plan for each individual client then.
That's right, and creating a health plan really is a core function and focus of what they're doing. So if someone comes in and they have something like diabetes or COPD, they may or may not know all of the nuance there, and they don't need to, but it's our job to be able to say, this is what this means, and this is what this means for you, and how we're going to help just create a plan to where, you know, the old saying, how do you eat an elephant? You eat it a bite at a time. Well, how do you manage a really chronic disease state? Well, you do it one step at a time, and I think that's what we do really well.
So it seems like you all are doing quite a bit then to focus on the entire person. So spreading that out into the community a bit more, tell us a little bit about the partners you all work with in the community.
I was hoping you'd ask that question.
Oh, well, good.
Yeah, so we can't do that on our own, right? And so we really partner with a lot of community organizations to where we can refer our patients to help with nonprofits and for-profit companies that assist in things we don't, and vice versa. We're really trying to create value for them. And so one of the things we're excited about that's coming up here before too long is on October 28th, we're hosting a Louisville Senior Expo. It's at the Louisville Slugger Pavilion that's down there, downtown, but we'll have 75 or 80 senior-focused vendors all in one place. We're hoping to have several hundred seniors come out. There'll be live music, and it's one of the ways that we just help facilitate a conversation with a lot of other vendors who, again, just really add value to our senior population because we just love them. I mean, we want to be able to serve them in an exam room, but then we also want to connect them with a lot of great resources around the city.
That's incredible. That event sounds like a lot of fun, honestly.
And we're partnering up with Wacky Radio and HSPN.
I love Wacky, yeah.
Part of the Wacky generation.
Of course.
And so it'll just be a really fun way to be able to bring people out for a really good time.
Yeah, okay. Well, that sounds like a lot of fun. Well, thank you so much for joining me today and telling us a little bit more about Centerwell on our big Centerwell's Takeover show.
Well, it's always a pleasure. Thanks for having us, Allison.
Absolutely. Thank you. To learn more, just head over to their website, centerwellprimarycare.com.